cannot believe the WWE Universe's reaction to Batista. This guy takes time out of his busy movie star schedule to return to WWE, and they've given him nothing but disrespect.
You have to respect the animal. This man is a real force, Drew McIntyre.
Revamped attitude, revamped appearance.
And introducing the challenger from Ayr, Scotland, weighing in at 254 pounds, Drew McIntyre.
McIntyre's made it his mission to eliminate all the complacency in WWE.
You know, Drew McIntyre arrived and he was the chosen one. Handpicked by WWE Chairman Mr. McMahon. And Drew will admit that he became complacent. Felt like he didn't have to work hard to get to the top. When he got fired, he went away, he got a new attitude, and now he's back, bigger and badder than ever.
With a vengeance.
Yeah, this new attitude from Drew McIntyre dictates he will take what...
Panic pirates coming, better guard your block.
And
Here is your God.
the challenger from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds. He is the WCW World Heavyweight Champion, the Pig, Carl.
The action will be furious in this one, guys, as we have a fatal four-way Falls Count Anywhere match coming up.
And if you thought a Falls Count Anywhere match was intense, just wait until you see it combined with a fatal four-way.
The shadows ready to unload. Bow to the pirate, the chaos mode. Panic pirates coming, wanna play. Fear is your preacher, night and day. Follow and obey, know what to say. Here comes the panic pirate, make way. Cool in the shadows, ready to unload. Bow to the pirate, the chaos mode. Panic pirates coming, wanna play. Fear is your preacher, night and day. Rusev Udria, Rusev Machka.
Happy Rusev Day!
And introducing the champion from Bulgaria, weighing in at 304 pounds. He is the WWE Champion, Rusev.
There's only one holiday worth celebrating 365 days a year. You know what that is, Byron?
I don't know, what is it?
It's Rusev Day.
There it is.
Rusev Day is a real-life phenomenon, taking the world by storm.
It really is a holiday, Byron. It pops up on my calendar on my phone.
Okay, so no matter how you feel about this made-up holiday, what it has done is provide virtual jet fuel for the confidence of Rusev, who is more driven than we've ever seen him.
Ball's count anywhere, guys. Let's get this action underway.
Mark my words, Cole. These four superstars are about to embark on the fight of their lives.
Drew McIntyre looking to squeeze his opponents like a set of bagpipes.
Byron, that metaphor was uglier than a pile of haggis.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. Kick will stop you in your tracks. Oh, what impact! Shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap. Whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Oh! He's starting to stagger a bit. He needs to make sure he doesn't get double or even triple teamed here.
At this point, it's still anybody's match, Cole, but he's got to be careful not to take too much more punishment here if he wants to be the one walking away with the win. Guys, in a title match like this one, on a stage as big as the one we're on now, you have to wonder how much nerves will become a factor.
What a stomp! Good grief! Penny predicament. He's a long way from a 3 count, I can tell you that. Too soon. Circling back to your earlier point, Corey, you have to think nerves will play a big part in this match, which I think favors the champion, especially considering how many times the champ's been in big-time matches like this.
I'd agree. The champ is used to the bright lights and bright stage. Dare I say,
Drew back and... Oh, what a hook!
I can't believe it, Michael.
That is exact. The shoulders are down. Not enough to end this one.
Have to put in a little more work than that. Gonna be woozy after that impact.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Well, he's got him here. He's got him on.
Slammed with authority. Whoa, McIntyre able to avoid damage there. No luck against Batista there.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. Nailed it.
Goes down hard.
Hooked up.
He's on the defensive now. He needs to find a way to get back on the offensive if he wants to take this fatal four-way match.
I'm really disappointed in what we're seeing from him here tonight. Heading in, I really thought he had a chance of winning this fatal four-way match. Now, I'm not so sure about that.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Here he goes.
Oof. Nice.
Shut it down.
Drew McIntyre really needs to dig.
Uh-oh. Got him in the sleeper. Is he going to pass out?
But is it enough to end it?
Oh, an elbow drop. Drew McIntyre beginning to look a little weak out there. The challenger is starting to feel the pressure of this high-profile champion. The shoulders are down. Oh, and he breaks up the pin.
Beautiful technique.
Toss to the outside. And what a reversal from Drew McIntyre.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
What a strike. Ooh, what impact. He's making a statement here with this attack. Future shock. The cover. What a throw. And it's Batista with a reversal. When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Beautiful technique.
Ooh, what impact.
No luck against Batista there. Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Whoa, McIntyre able to avoid damage there. This might be it. Oh, my.
Down to the floor. He knows he's in trouble.
I don't think there's any coming back from this type of assault. This could be the
Future shock.
Oh, man, cover, cover. Really targeting the back on that one.
Drew McIntyre did it.
Let's take another look at these guys getting after it.
Overall, this match was average at best. But not every match is going to be memorable. In fact, I've almost forgotten it happened already.
And I always enjoy watching him perform.
Here is your winner and the new WWE Champion, Drew McIntyre.
The dust is settled. And there's your winner of this fatal four-way match.
To get the pinfall victory over such a high-quality opponent is incredible.